Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. This video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the MTN 8, Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Izinja State.
Hola Steve.
Danko.
Mfethu, first of all, angikho happy ngamajita mfethu.
Awukho happy ngamajita.
Lento senze yona center line nje ya. Mfethu siyabahlanyela. We are here to support. Singama support. That's why we are called ama support. You understand? So we are here to support amajita. But amajita mfethu awabonisi nokushaya izandla 2 minutes nyana aphuma kanje. You understand? Aya ku chairman uJwaga same thing. Futhi lapha bashaya less ke. But otherwise ngila ukuthi ngizolungisa leyo nto le, understand? But ke coming to the game njaya mina Skomota. Mahopa. Tala ngimkhalela. He made a lot of difference. Like you could see phambili ukuthi khona into enzakalayo, ukhona iplan eliphumayo, you understand that? Coming to a middle field, talent njaya uthi uReggie ama talent awafani. Ayi njaya yami hlala phansi mfethu ngihappy mfethu ngamajita ne, but then into engekho happy ngayo ayabona the way ashintshe ngakhona ucoach wami mfethu uTito umkhiphelani. First of all uFanro yena umkhiphelani mfethu. Second of all mfethu you could see ukuthi emuva makuphuma uTito sesi defender ngabantu abayi3. Usibilibili akaze adlala i2. Usibilibili akaze abe adlala kule position adlala kuyo. But anyway njaya ngihappy ukuthi amabhakani yadrowile, ngihappy ukuthi sidlala ngendlela esidlale ngayo. Ngiyabonga Steve. Man of the match. Ongba winning position. Center line man of the match njaya.
Center line.
Center line. Aspila umoya. Aspila umoya.
Danko njaya ba ubulalile.
In and out.
I destroyed.